So, dear parents and students, today, 13th August 2026 and Thursday, very good morning. Why this particular session or why this particular small video? I think you're able to see the assessment under CBSE, right? CBSE. No, I felt very good about this particular portal. Now, I have been listening from the parents saying that this time the pattern of the question paper is changed and it requires a lot of time to analyze and assess the question itself. So let us actually browse through. I try to understand, though I am teaching from the past 20 years, I learned from my parents saying that there is something called competency focused practice questions. Wow. See, I think you can see, I just typed in Google, I just typed in Google saying competency focused practice questions. How to find in CBSE website. See, I've been seeing in social media, these are the competency based questions. It's a very short video, but very crisp, very good. I felt very good. But I wanted to understand. So this is a Gemini AI, which has given me some steps here. There is a CVE resources tab. This is what is recommended. I'm showing you this method. See, this method, and so number one, it asks me to go to the cbse.government.in, right? So this is our website. So let me type again cbse.gov.in. Okay. So when I come to this place, okay, so let me refresh this, or let me show you again. Okay, this is Google, and we'll type it here cbse.gov.in. Okay, so this is where we are into. So let's look at this. Central Board of Secondary Education, main website, Pariksha Sangam results, SARAS academic website, Prashikshan Triveni. Wow, this is really hats off to our nation, India, who has given us this excellent, committed to equity and excellence in education. Now let us go to the academic website. Now the next part is what? Going to the academic website. So this is what you find under academic site. So there are certain things here. What is the vision of CBSE? Major about academics unit, major things, and many things, right? So these are the intentions. Now here, what is the next step? See, I went to the academic website, then CBE resources. Let us find the CBE resources. If I go to this place, you can see this here. There is a CBE resources. I click on CBE resources. Now, this particular CBE resources, see now it tells about what is competency-based education, and then key features of CBE approach. This is all given here. See now, look at this. What does competency-based education look like? So this is something they are trying to tell us about, inform, mention things. See, the assessment part, if you can see, assessing the application of the knowledge and skills to real-world contexts and using authentic problems which draw on real-life data are the key features of CBSE. See, instead of just writing the syllabus or writing the question and answers type, the student now starts thinking in a lateral way, in a critical way. So there are two concepts called lateral thinking and critical thinking. This particular focused education, competency focused education, will definitely help a student to develop in an overall uh, growth. Okay. So the next step where we have to go is go into the assessment. So if I go into the assessment, now we are at the assessment part. And now look at this. There is a CBSE question bank for class 10. So resource to familiarize teachers and students with the new CBE assessment. See? And then you have curriculum aligned competency based test items. You see, into maths, science, and English were classes 6 to 10. Wow. So compilation. Now let us go into this. This is what is required. Now see, mathematics, it is there for maths. Class 6, class 7, class 8, class 9, class 10. Of course, now let us go to the science. Again, science also the competency based. Again, in the English, again, it is given. All the things are given. So let us go into the math, and then because 10th class is a board exam. Let me go into there. So this is given here. Curriculum aligned competency based test items. Okay. So we'll go deeper into this, and I shall also help you in what you call understand and solve or analyze and assess the questions. Now look at this place. Table of contents. There are 15 chapters, the 15 test items, and then scoring key is also given. Everything is given. So there are questions here, right? So let us see. So what is the number of groups? What is the number of staff? Wow. See, based upon the textbook, we have to follow the textbook and then come back here and try to solve the question. So let me take to the question. See, now this is the chapter 2 polynomials. Again, there are certain questions. So, wow, this is a journey of finding where such pattern of questions, competency-based questions are available. Okay, hope you find this video helpful. We'll again come back with other resources also. Now, let me take science, and let me take what do you call it, for class 6 now. And if I take class 6, competency based, if I come down again, see, this is all given here about SAS, Sri Aurobindo Society says, and then see, test items. Again, there are certain questions here which we can actually work out. Okay. Okay. And then we'll again find in another beautiful content.